By now, this is old news, but can we talk about something that isn't talked about in this context? So Mississauga house sells for just under $1 million after 85 offers. Let's talk about the strategies that are used in order to sell real estate, especially in a transitioning market. One of which is holding off offers. Very simply, what that means is deliberately putting a price of a property much lower than market value in order to create this line and have potential buyers waiting at your doorstep to buy a property. And with the demand, what ends up happening is it jockeys the price up. That is a strategy. And this is not the first house or the last that has implemented this strategy in order to sell a house much over the asking price. Now, what does that mean as well? So sure, the property sells for more than asking price, but I've personally done my research and the house sold for around market value. This is what properties in that neighborhood are selling for regardless. So, all this to say, buyers, don't get discouraged. Mind you, know the area you're looking at and what you're able to spend. Definitely start looking at the market with a pre-approval in hand.